To get money off Cash App without a bank account, you can use the Cash App card or other alternative methods. The Cash App card is a free debit card that can be used to withdraw cash from ATMs and make purchases. First, you need to order a Cash App card, which can be done directly from the Cash App. Once you have received your card, you can use it to withdraw cash from any ATM that accepts Visa cards. However, be aware that there is a fee associated with using an ATM to withdraw cash, which is typically around $2 per transaction, in addition to any fees the ATM itself may charge. Another option is to use the Cash App card to make purchases and get cash back at participating retailers. Many retailers offer cashback when you use a debit card to make a purchase, and this can be a convenient way to get cash without having to use an ATM. You can also transfer money from Cash App to other services such as PayPal or Venmo, and then use those services to access your cash. However, be aware that there may be fees associated with transferring money between services, so be sure to review the fees before making a transfer. To get started with any of these methods, open the Cash App and navigate to the Banking or Wallet tab. Then look for the option to order a Cash App card or transfer money to another service. Follow the prompts to complete the transaction, and be sure to review any fees or terms before confirming. It is also important to note that while these methods can be convenient, they may not be the most cost-effective way to access your cash. So be sure to review the fees and terms before making a decision. Additionally, it is always a good idea to keep your Cash App account and card information secure to prevent unauthorized access to your funds.